thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Hey you guys, welcome back. Long time no talk. I know it's been such a while since I last talked to you guys and since I last filmed a cleaning video. As many of you probably know, I am currently expecting. So these last few months have really kicked my butt with nausea and just being so tired and exhausted. This for sure has been my toughest pregnancy by far. But I finally am starting to feel a little bit better and finally have the energy to start filming again. So here we are with my first cleaning video back. So if you are here for some cleaning motivation, then please stick around.
So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights.
So I am starting off in my dining room today. We had just had dinner, so picking up whatever was left from that and just clearing off the table, picking everything up, putting everything back where it's supposed to. For the spray that I'm using, I have been in love with this scent, and it's so funny, but before I got pregnant I couldn't stand it, and now I'm so obsessed with it. It's the lemon verbena, I believe, from Mrs. Meyer's. It smells so good. It's so funny how, you know, with pregnancy scents and tastes change so much, and this is one of them. I've just been obsessed with this scent, so I have stocked up on this scent from the Grove website and just really been obsessed with cleaning with it. I don't know what it is, but it smells so good, and the scent actually lingers for a while. And then just cleaning off the tables as well, or the chairs as well, I'm sorry, and then going into vacuum after that. So now moving on into my kitchen area, and you guys, if I'm being completely honest, I have not been keeping up with my housework. My house has been so messy, and this pregnancy has just taken a toll on me. It's the roughest pregnancy I've had, and the nausea has been so bad. So when I say that I was not keeping up with my housework, I was not keeping up with my housework at all. It's been so tough, and like I said, I'm finally starting to feel a little bit better. I still get nausea, but it's just not to the point where I need to be in bed all day. So I'm starting to just wipe everything down, give everything a nice deep clean, because like I said, my house desperately needed it.
He got these yellow brown eyes and a smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. From the feelings I can hide when I dance and I sway with his arms tight around me. And sure, I mess it up a little later on, but just for now I'll keep dancing. He and his yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point got the air feeling vibrant.
Moving on to the dishes. Usually you guys are used to seeing me do the dishes on the right side, but I recently switched over. So now I put my clean dishes as I'm washing them on my right side, and I wash them on the left side. Before it was the other way around. But I've been liking this way better because I feel like I have more room to wash dishes on the left side. And I've really been using the Dawn Power Wash to wipe down my sinks. And like I said, honestly, this is the first time I wiped down my sink in a while. So I was really wanting to give it a good clean.
Excited.
I had tons of dishes to do, you guys. It has just been so bad around here. So just wiping or washing all the dishes. And again, I'm still using that Mrs. Meyer dish soap in the lemon scent. It smells so good, guys. Just it's so weird. I'm just so obsessed with the scent. Also, I wanted to ask you guys, would you guys be interested in wanting pregnancy updates? I know I got a few comments asking if I would be doing them and if I would be filming those, but I'm not sure if you guys would want to watch those. So if you are interested in pregnancy updates or any pregnancy related videos, please let me know down below. So now I am sorting through the fruit. There was a lot of fruit that was just not really good anymore, and since it's been so hot lately, my house gets really humid sometimes, and I've noticed that fruit goes bad a lot faster. So I'm really going through the fruit and then just, you know, tossing what's not good anymore. And then this corner was so bad. It was just, you guys, like I said, there was just so many places that I haven't really wiped down or cleaned. I was doing the bare minimum. So this was the day that I really took time to just really deep clean every little corner. So moving on to my little entryway table and the mirror that I have. Just wiping everything down again. Like I said, I have not cleaned this mirror in God knows how long. And just wiping the entryway table down and the things on top of it and around it. Just really taking my time. And if my plants look a little flimsy and, you know, not very alive, I have not been keeping up with the watering as well. We have just been a hot mess over here, you guys, but we are embracing it and we are being responsible and at least getting things taken care of now. So now we are moving into the living room, and as you can see, this is the messiest part of the house probably because it's the room that we spend the most time in. So just picking up everything off the floor and putting back everything where it belongs. These actually, these couch covers that I have on the couch, I just recently put them on, and then if you remember, I had a white rug before, so we switched out the white rug, put the black one back. But I don't like the way that the gray couch looks on the black rug. I feel like it doesn't, I don't know, they don't contrast very well. So, and then on top of that, we are on the market for a new couch. I've been so picky, and I don't know, it's a big purchase to make. So I've really been taking my time into looking at what type of couch I want. I'm still debating if I want to keep a sectional or if I want to do, you know, just the love seat and then the bigger couch. I'm not sure yet. So if you guys have any suggestions on couches, I would love to know what you guys suggest down below. But so temporarily I have these covers on them, which I've been liking. I just kind of wanted to see the if I would like a lighter couch and how I would do with the kids. But so far so good. And then they've been helping keep the couch below clean as well. So that's always a plus.
When I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try.
So moving on into the entertainment center, and again, just desperately wiping everything down because it needed it really, really bad. So just putting the trash in the trash and just trying to remove all the clutter, as much clutter as I can. I feel like this house has been so cluttered lately, so trying to minimize as much of that as I possibly can.
Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me.
And then the last thing I did was sweep and mop the living room, and that was all that I did on this day, because let me tell you, I was sweating and I was tired. It's so crazy how much more out of breath I am these days. So I just didn't want to overdo it, so called it early. Hopefully on the next video I will be a little bit more in depth and take my time a little bit more. I feel like I was kind of rushing, a little adrenaline running through me because it was the first cleaning video I've done in a few months actually. But I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I've missed you guys all so much. Please let me know down below any video suggestions that you guys would like to see, or again, if you guys want to see any of those pregnancy videos, updates, stuff like that. I'd be more than happy to share this pregnancy with you guys and give you guys a more in-depth into it. But if not, that's okay. Again, let me know any video suggestions that you guys want to see coming up. I have started fall shopping, so if you guys want to see any fall come shop with me's, let me know down below as well. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video, and if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to click that little subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube family. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.